The story of Sunbrella is one of possibilities imagined and realized. Imagine comfort. Imagine shade. Imagine the sun. Imagine a storm. Imagine a party. Imagine a color. Imagine a feel or weave. Imagine anything you like. Because since 1961, Sunbrella has set the bar for quality performance fabric in the awning, marine, and furniture industries. We've given customers more beautiful, livable choices with better warranties and unlimited aesthetic and design possibilities for designers, manufacturers, and others. Tested tough and incredibly easy to clean, our fabrics evoke imagination and enhance the way we all live. Imagine that.